Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can create an account in your Tinder app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So first and foremost, all you need to do is simply tap open your Tinder app, and once you open your Tinder app, you can simply tap on the login with Google. So once you do this, you can select a Google account of your preference and you can start getting in by typing in your mobile phone number as well. Once you type in your mobile phone number, you can get an OTP which you can enter and press the continue button. Now, all you need to do is press on the I agree section and type in your first name. So once you do this, you need to press on the next button and press on the let's go option. Now simply enter your birth date. However, you must be above 18 to create a Tinder account. After you type in your birth date, you need to show and type in what your gender is, and you can even in your sexual orientation or either skip it. You need to now tell which gender are you interested in looking on and what are you looking in for your partner. Now you can even set a distance preference and just tick out the sections which you want to share, or you can simply skip in that part. Now finally simply add in photos which will make your profile stand out. 2 photos is the minimum number of photos you need to upload, and then you need to share your location as well. So once all the steps are done, all you need to do is simply press on continue, and now you are set with your Tinder account ready. This is how you create your Tinder account. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.